How to get dental help without insurance. Most people think that discount dental plans are merely not designed to fit within their budget. Only coverage can genuinely be inside reach for everybody. Few people recognize how many discount dental plans are really accessible, but it is crucial to realize that there are numerous of choices. For instance, many discount dental plans are really not a type of insurance, and because of this some people merely erroneously stay away from them. Numerous of the averted discount dental plans, but in reality dental plans have improved coverage, and so it's essential to learn about the entire obtainable discount dental plans. Dental insurance is much different than discount dental plans and is commonly qualified of high deductibles, provisional periods, and yearly limits. Dental insurance is really standardized to health insurance in that there is a private fee for service. Several of the plans bear fairly significant monthly fees and offer up coverage for everyday care, but will just cover major procedures after the deductible has been paid. Very few dental insurance providers cover dental orthopedics or elective operations such as teeth whitening. The huge restrictions affiliated with dental insurance have in reality left a lot of folks looking for other choices such as discount dental plans. Discount dental plans can be most precisely represented as admittance to a voucher book that will allow substantial savings on literally any type of care needed. Though discount dental plans can only be sold by certain suppliers, most of the plans have extended networks that admit a number of dental practitioners in each area. The monthly fee connected with a discount dental plan a great deal cheaper from what it would be if it were in reality dental insurance, so the price savings is high. Additionally, most procedures are included in a discount dental plan, and dental orthopedics and cosmetic dentistry is also included, unlike dental insurance. There are no maximum limits and there are no deductibles. There is no reimbursement paperwork to complete, and the member merely needs to pay their low rate at the time of the procedure. Most couples, families, and individuals find that discount dental plans are a much better deal, and they are happy to save the money. The best way to obtain the best possible program is to shop around and compare multiple quotes on the web. With all of the choices acquirable to people, there genuinely is no cause that everyone can't be covered by discount dental plans.